All right, finally, our last summary of Investigation 2.3, Part C. Gus, also known as Miss Frank's son, Gus wants to determine which store has a better price for groceries. And we have pasta, 7 boxes for $6 at More for Your Money. Who's going to name their grocery store that? That's ridiculous. Or we can get pasta here, 6 boxes for $5 at Fresh Food Grocery. And so here we go. At More for Your Money, pasta is on sale at 7 boxes for $6. And Gus makes a rate table, great, and writes the proportion 7/6. And that's hard to read, so I will write, and that's not much better. So we have 7/6, but 7 what? 7 boxes, and 6 what? That's right, $6. So it's important to keep labels, is equal to n, I don't know what n is, that's why I have n, over 1. And so, 6/7 is equal to c over 1. What information does Gus get from solving each proportion? All right, so here's the deal. Here we have dollars per box. That means we're getting the cost of 1 box. Cost of 1 box. Over here, we're getting boxes per dollar. Boxes per dollar. And typically in stores, we want to know the cost for 1 box of pasta. And that's how it's normally reported to us. So here we go. Let's find a unit rate. So let's go ahead and use this one. Boxes, because we like this one better. $6 for 7 boxes, so that means 6 divided by 7, because per means divide, right? So that means each box is worth 80, and around 6 cents. Well, in this one, we have 7 boxes divided by $6, and we get 1.17 boxes per dollar. And this is 0.86 or 86 cents per box. Which one do you think you'll see in the grocery store? I thought so. All right, so copy and complete the rate table. Fill in the missing values. So for 1 box, we know it's 0.86, and for $1, we get 1.17. All right, great. And then at Fresh Foods, we get the same basic thing. And let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go for this one, for Fresh Foods first. So this one, it's 0.86 per box. So over here, we have $5 for 6 boxes. And 5 divided by 6 is 83 cents per box. Which one's cheaper? That's right, Fresh Foods is cheaper. Now at this point, I think you'd probably say, well, who cares, because it's only 3 cents apart. But if you buy a lot of pasta, then this is probably the better deal. Now, I do want to point one last thing out before we call it an evening. If I were to do the boxes per dollar, that's 6/5, I would get 1.2 boxes per dollar. Now, here's the thing. We want to pay less money per box. And that's why we're looking for the smaller of the 2 unit rates in here, because we want to pay less per box. But if we use the opposite unit rate, we want more boxes per dollar. So if we're using the unit rate of boxes per dollar, we want the larger of the 2 numbers, because we're getting more for our money. So that's what we should have gotten out of this one. Hopefully, if you have any questions, you will address them tomorrow.